In this very short video, I want to give you 4 tips on thanking a speaker on Zoom. Tip number 1, don't forget that you represent both the event and the audience. So mention both of them in your thanks. Perhaps how the information shared was of benefit to the audience. Perhaps how the information shared was of value to the event itself. Tip number 2, don't deliver a standard thank you that you wrote 2 days previously. Mention at least 1 or 2 things raised during the presentation. Now, you don't need to repeat a great chunk of it, just point out a couple of useful things. I really enjoyed your tip about, I really liked your insights into such and such. Have a framework and then add to it during the presentation. Tip number 3, spend some time on your lights and on your sound. If you can't be seen and you can't be heard, then what's the point? Now, it doesn't need to be complicated. A couple of desk lamps shining some light onto your face should be fine. Or position yourself near the window with natural light coming in front of you. Don't have that natural light coming in behind you, otherwise that will wash out the whole picture and it doesn't look good. With sound, I try and always use an external microphone, but if you have to use the microphone in your webcam, it's usually best to get a little bit closer to it and you get a better sound there. Now, there's plenty of clips on YouTube on how to do this, and we might even make one ourselves in the future. If you'd like that, leave a comment below in the comment section. And hey, while you're at it, why don't you hit the thumbs up, the like button? That encourages us to make more of these videos. And why don't you subscribe at the same time so you don't miss out, and you can also find this channel again. So, one more tip coming up. Tip number 4 is to always know what happens after your thank you. There's nothing worse than having an embarrassing pause while somebody takes over. So always know so that you can refer to them or throw to them. It might be your client comes on, another speaker comes on, there might be another MC introduces somebody else, or you might go to a break. So know what's happening and then refer to that. Makes a much nicer transition. And speaking of what's next, there's a couple of extra videos coming up that you might like to watch. Check one of these out.